After we change the printer name, now I'm going to show you some settings of Cura. Okay, first we copy this address, then open your Cura. Since you download the Cura from our website, so the printer is already set for you. Okay, let's go here, manage printers, connect to a firmware, and here just paste the address you just copy, kathy.local/ and save config. Now Cura is connecting to the printer, and this one here is to select the material you are using. So layer 1 is A10 PLA. Okay, let me choose one. And this one is about your extruder. So I'm using the 0.4 mm nozzle. Okay, and here is some settings. So let's just import an STL file. Just dragging the file. Okay, now you can see a doc. Okay, here there's only some basic numbers you can change, the qualities. And if you want more detail to change, then you have to click all here. Now you can see a lot of numbers. Layer height, initial layer height, blah blah blah. You can try to change the numbers, but normally we already set the A10 PLA. All the numbers we have tested for a long time, so actually you don't really need to change them. The only thing you need to do is to support, to click on the support, and I like to turn on here enable support interface as well. And other things you can try to click on and see the printing temperature. It's 210. View plate temperature is 70. And the speed, normally we use 40. Actually, I'm not going to change any numbers. Instead of turn on the support. And here you can just slice. It takes 3 hours 9 minutes. And you can click on preview. Now you can see the green parts is the support. So if everything is okay, then just here you can print on A10 3.5 directly, or you can click here save to disk. Normally I just click on print on A10 3.5. Okay, so it's uploading to your printer. Okay, it's already uploaded, and you can click here to open browser. Okay, turn on the dashboard again. So let's click here jobs to see the Dusper. My file is already uploaded and it's on printing mode. So you can see, go to the dashboard, you can see the heater of your nozzle is on, and the build plate is heating up as well. Let's do this first, then I will show you more information about this. Bye.